Hi, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chicken casserole that my mom used to make when I was a child, and she used to spend so much time making it. She would buy bone-in chicken breast, bake them first in a sherry, basil, thyme, curry mixture, and then take those off the bone and make up the wild rice and cook that up. I'm going to try something different. I'm just going to put it all in one 9x13 pan and bake it. Let's see if it works. So come along with me and let's try this together. I think it turned out great. It turned out good. It kind of looks like a casserole. It doesn't look beautiful, but sometimes casseroles are like that. But I'm sure it's gonna taste delicious. So there we go. I think it worked without prepping all those ingredients, without cooking your rice and pre-cooking the chicken. I think it looks great. Let's give it a try. Okay, so here we go. Here it is. It's really hot. Let's try it. Oh, the chicken's good. Looks good. It's hot. Smells good. That is so good. I'm taste the curry, a little bit of the sherry in it. The wild rice. It's really good. So it worked without all that extra prep. So give it a try.